Hello, window cleaners of the world. So I'm here today to show you how to set up email and SMS automations in the streak-free secret funnel. So open up You'll Click and then go to the search bar here at the top. And this time we're going to type in, well, actually first we need to integrate the SendGrid and Twilio. So go to the bar at the top here, your profile picture at the top, and go to integrations. And then we're going to go to SendGrid here. We're going to open sendgrid.com. And then I'm going to go here to email API. But preferably, actually, we're going to go down here to settings and then go to API keys. And then go to create API. You want to make sure it says full access. And for the API key, we can call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it TSFS. And then that gives me this great string here that I put here. And then that goes add key, boom, bada bing, you're done. You've got SendGrid connected to your You'll Click. And now for Twilio, you do kind of the same thing. So I'm going to go to Twilio and then log into my first Twilio account. And then jump to API keys. Actually, you don't even want that. You want auth token. Okay, so there's our SID. Now let's scroll down in our settings till we find API keys and tokens. And then here where it says auth tokens, you want to scroll down until you see this I, and then you click the I and that'll give you a string to copy. And then you go back to You'll Click and then paste in your auth token and add new account, and bada bing, you're done. We go back to You'll Click and then you type in easy CRM. And then we're going to go to, there's two options here. You can go to broadcast. Well, first it says I need to add my business details because my friend Jay hasn't added his business details yet. So the business detail is the streak free secret. Full name is JK 123 Main Street, Lansing, Michigan 29909, 29909. This should be USA. Boom. So now I go back to here, and it wants to know where I want to send this broadcast from. So I guess we'll call the email hello world. And then for lists, you can either pick a list of one form, everybody who filled out one form, or everybody who filled out any form. We're going to do everybody who filled out any form. We're going to send it from this email. From this email, subject is going to be the same thing as the title, hello world, and then this is going to be the body. And then I would hit next, and then send. It's going to say there's 0 people to send it to because nobody signed up for my friend Jay's website. That's how you send an email broadcast. And then we have automation here. So let's say we want everybody who signed up for their email to the Streak Free Secret. And I would like that to email me immediately. If I wanted to, I could say email me within an hour, but I'm going to say email me immediately that this person opted in with their email, so that way I can call them real quick. And we'll call it notify owner for the name, and then you hit publish, and that's pretty much it. Um, you could also, let's say, as soon as they email, as soon as they opt in, you want to email them, you can go email user, and then we go to that email. That's the one that I want to send it from. And I can go, hello, new friend, welcome. Save email, publish, and the name is hello. And now every time somebody opts in with their email to my list or my email magnet or whatever to get a quote, they'll get that email that says hello. And now let's say finally that I want to send them a text. So somebody opts in and I want to send them an SMS. And the SMS is expect a call within 5 to 30 minutes for your free window cleaning estimate. And then I go to my first Twilio account and then the number that I want to use. And let's say I don't want it to delay at all. I want to send it within an hour. And then I hit publish. And for the name, I'll call it welcome SMS. And that's really how you set up emails and SMS. And you'll click. If you think about the possibilities with this, it could really go very far because you could have, let's say, an email that goes out an hour after the initial email, and then 5 hours, and then 24 hours, and then 72 hours, and then you can do the same thing with your SMS so that these people are just constantly reminded of your presence until they do get a quote or until they do win some new windows. And that's another thing I'd like to touch on is that if we go to add workflow and we go to email opt-in, there was this other one that says hello world, the streak-free secret. That's a coupon form. So let's say somebody wants to, or let's say somebody wants to sign up for the giveaway. So they want to sign up for the giveaway, and we could be like, hello friend, hello new friend, thanks for signing up for my sweepstakes. Hope you win a year of free window washing. Okay, so just like we're going to send them this text message that says, welcome to sweepstakes, basically. You could have an email go out after the first day, the first 3 days, the first week, the first 2 weeks, periodically, that notifies them about you and your business and how long you've been around and why they should pick you over, everybody else around there. So anyway, with that being said, it seems my computer is dying, but that's all I had to say today. So thank you for your time today, and peace out.